Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 25th, 2026, and we're diving into Alkermes' latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Alkermes has had an eventful year, and I'm excited to break down their financial performance and strategic moves with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Alkermes reported total revenues of $1.48 billion for 2025, with a net income of $242 million. John, what stands out to you in these figures?
Alkermes has shown solid financial performance with a 9% year-over-year increase in proprietary product sales. Their diluted earnings per share came in at $1.43, reflecting strong profitability. This growth is largely driven by their commercial portfolio, including products like Vivitrol and Lybalvi.
It's impressive to see such growth. How did their operational efficiencies contribute to this performance?
Operational efficiencies played a significant role. The company managed disciplined expense management, which helped maintain profitability despite a slight decline in total revenues compared to 2024.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Alkermes recently completed the acquisition of Avadel. How does this strategic move position them in the market?
The acquisition of Avadel significantly strengthens Alkermes' position in the sleep medicine market. They expect Lumryz, a key product from Avadel, to generate $315 to $335 million in sales for 2026. This acquisition not only broadens their commercial capabilities, but also accelerates their entry into this lucrative market.
And what about their pipeline, particularly with alixorexton?
Alkermes is advancing alixorexton into Phase 3 clinical trials for narcolepsy in Q1 2026. This is part of their strategic focus on developing best-in-class treatments for neurological disorders, which could drive significant future growth.
Financial expectations and guidance. Looking ahead, Alkermes has provided financial expectations for 2026. What are the key highlights from their guidance?
Alkermes projects total revenues between $1.73 and $1.84 billion for 2026. Despite an expected net loss of $115 to $135 million, they anticipate strong cash generation with an adjusted EBITDA of $370 to $410 million. This reflects their continued investment in R&D, particularly for their orexin 2 receptor agonists.
It seems like a balanced approach between growth and investment. How do you see this impacting their long-term prospects?
Alkermes' strategic investments in R&D and their expanded product portfolio position them well for long-term growth. Their focus on innovative treatments in neuroscience could unlock significant value for shareholders in the coming years.
EPS forecast and market reaction. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 31 cents for Alkermes, but the actual EPS came in slightly lower at 29 cents. How has the market reacted to this?
The market reaction has been mixed. While the EPS missed the forecast, the overall financial performance and strategic initiatives have kept investor sentiment relatively stable. The share price impact has been minimal, as investors are likely focusing on the company's long-term growth potential.
Do you think this slight miss in EPS is a cause for concern?
Not necessarily. The slight miss is overshadowed by the company's strong strategic positioning and future growth prospects. Investors are likely to remain optimistic given Alkermes' robust pipeline and recent acquisitions.
Key takeaways. In summary, Alkermes has delivered a strong financial performance for 2025, with significant strategic moves setting the stage for future growth. Their revenue for 2025 was $1.48 billion, with a net income of $242 million and an EPS of $1.43. Looking ahead, they project revenues between 1.73 and 1.84 billion for 2026.
Absolutely. Alkermes is well positioned for long-term success with their strategic focus on innovative treatments and recent acquisitions. Their financial guidance for 2026 reflects a commitment to growth and shareholder value.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Alkermes' performance in the comments below.